Hello viewers, how you doing out there? I hope you are doing great. My name is Rafi Yakub from Eclipse Graphic Studio. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to design work calendar without using calendar wizard. So let's get the tutorial started. The first thing we are going to do is to go to File and click on New to create a new document. Next, name your design. Work calendar design, right? Set your width to be 687 pixels. Then height should be 966 pixels. And your color should be CMYK and resolution should be 300. Once you are done with the setting, click OK. Alright, to zoom in the entire document, go to the zoom tool. Having select zoom tool, go to the menu bar and select minus zoom tool. Alright, this is the entire document of our work calendar. Go back to the pictures. The next thing we are going to do is to create a page border. Go to the rectangle tool, double click it to create a page border. Alright, the next thing we are going to do now is to go to the rectangle tool, then drag the top. Alright, the next thing we are going to do now is to create another rectangle. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do here is to bring in my stock photo for this design. So you go to the menu bar, select import, or press Ctrl I on your keyboard. And look for where you save your stock photo for the calendar design. Right. To do the power clip of this stock photo in the particular shape, go to Object, select power clip, place inside frame, then click on this particular place. Then to adjust the power clip, click on the Edit Power Clip and take the stock photo to where you want it to be. Alright, next, click Stop Editing Stock Photo. Right, so the next thing we are going to do here is to start to type. So in this case now, this calendar is going to be December 2018. Press Ctrl A to highlight the text. Then go back to the menu bar and go to Text tool, text property, and select your font style. Then increase the width to 36. Then color the text choosing yellow and take it to the design. Right, so I'm going to reduce the font size to something like 30. Press enter. Right, go back to the pictures to accept it. Now I want to zoom out the entire document. Go to the zoom tool, click on it with the plus, then go back to the pick tools to accept it. Next, I need a rectangle also. Drag and draw. Right. I need it this way. Go back to the pick tools, shift key, normal click on the 2018 to highlight it, then go to the menu bar and choose trim. Right. Now you can delete the one with trim away. So the next thing I'm going to type now is December. Press Ctrl A to highlight it, and go back to the font style and choose your desired font style. Then change the color to white and place it where you want it to be. It's too much. Then I'm reducing the size to 25. Alright. Go to the pick tool and accept it. Let me try 27. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do now is to type all the calendar, starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then Saturday. Press Ctrl A to highlight and go to the font style and choose your desired font style. For this one, I'm using Lato Bold. Go to the font size to reduce it. Go to the pick tools and accept it, then press P to centralize it. Take it down a little bit. Alright, I'm increasing the font size to 12. Then press P to centralize. 12 is much. Let's try 11. Alright, press P to centralize. Alright, now the next thing we are going to do is to color this particular place. I'm using white. Then come to the color palette, take away the outline color. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do here is to go back to the rectangle tools and drop from the top down. And color this one with red. Then right click on it, choose order, then back of layer. Right, go to the color palette and right click on it to take away the outline color. Then this particular text, changing the color to yellow. Right, the next thing I'm going to do now is to start to type all the necessary information. Company name, press Ctrl A to highlight. Go back to font style and change the font style to whatever you like. Then reduce the font size to 14. Still have to reduce this to 12. Then go back to the pick tools. Then press P to centralize. With your down arrow key, move it down to the normal layer. Right. Go back to the text tool. Highlight the studio only. Then change the color to white. Right. The next thing I'm going to do is to type the company contacts. Telephone. Shift key. Email. Press Ctrl Z to take that one away. Address. Comma, city, comma, then code. Press Ctrl A to highlight everything. Go to the menu bar, reduce the font size. Then change the text type. Go back to this place and choose center. And we can now position it to where we want it to be. We still have to reduce the font size. Let's try 6. Alright. Go back to the text tool. Highlight on it. Still have to reduce the font size to 5. Press enter to accept it. Change the color to all white. Change the font style to hexabold. Then go back to the text style. Changing this one to yellow. The email also, I'm going to change it to yellow. Then also the address, shift key, your backward arrow key, and change this one to yellow as well. Alright, so the next thing now is to start to type our calendar. Alright. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.